When you think about your muscles, you probably think about the muscles in your arms and legs that help you run and play. But did you know that muscles also help you digest your food and make your heart beat? You have more than 600 muscles in your body, and each muscle is made up of cells. Because your muscles do different jobs, not all muscle cells look the same. In this lesson, we will take a look at the 3 different types of muscle cells: skeletal muscle cells, cardiac muscle cells, and smooth muscle cells. The muscles that allow you to swing a bat and kick a soccer ball are called skeletal muscles. These muscles are under your control, so if you tell your arm to reach up and pat your head, it'll do it. Skeletal muscles are made up of skeletal muscle cells. Some of these cells are very long, like the ones in your upper leg that can grow to be over 12 inches long. Other skeletal muscles are too small for you to see without a microscope. Under a microscope, your skeletal muscle cells look like long tubes with stripes. They are also called striated. The stripes are caused by bundles of light and dark units called filaments. These filaments help the muscles shorten or contract. Your skeletal muscles also contain more than one nucleus. The nucleus of a cell is like its brain, so your skeletal muscles must be really smart, because they have lots of brains. Your heart is made up of a different type of muscle called cardiac muscle. Cardiac is a fancy name for your heart. Cardiac muscle has only one job, but it's an important one. Its job is to make your heart beat so blood can pump around your body. You don't control your heartbeat. This is a really good thing, because if you had to tell your heart to beat, you could never sleep. Cardiac muscle cells have stripes, just like skeletal muscle cells, but cardiac muscle cells are different in a couple of ways. Cardiac muscle cells only have one nucleus, and cardiac muscle cells have branches, kind of like a tree. Smooth muscle cells are found all over your body. You have them inside the walls of your stomach, intestines, bladder, and blood vessels. You even have tiny smooth muscles inside your eyes that help your eyes to focus. Smooth muscles are like the housekeepers of your body. They do routine things like push the food through your digestive system, make you throw up when you get a bellyache, and help hold pee in your bladder until you go to the bathroom. Smooth muscles work on their own, so like your heart, you don't have to tell them what to do. If you look at smooth muscle cells under a microscope, you won't see stripes. Instead, the cells look smooth, which is how these cells got their name. Smooth muscle cells are small and shaped like a stretched-out football. In the center, you see a bulge, which is where the cell's one nucleus is found. Let's review. Skeletal muscle cells look like long tubes with stripes. They contain more than one nucleus. Cardiac muscle cells also have stripes, but they have only one nucleus. They have branches, kind of like a tree. Smooth muscle cells don't have stripes. Instead, they're smooth and only have one nucleus.